appreciate it. I'm more critical. I'll take that.
And why are you critical about me? Is it because of my complexion? I'm asking you if it's because of the color of my skin. Why you're more critical with me? Because I don't see I do it with nobody else. You feel like me not know about nightly fix, me know about it. People are arguing about it. People are talking about it. That you live on nightly fix and you downplay me and degrade me. So I'm asking you to your face if it's because of my complexion. Because I do not see you do it to other artists.
She don't do your record.
Okay, what is it? What's the reason? Tell me to my face that Spice is because of this. When me do to you, me name a white fall.
Yeah, we'll explain how that. Anyways, as I was saying before, you are one of the top artists in the country. You're one of the people that can really big.
And Bounty is what?
Bounty is one of them as well.
So how the blood clot you lift on Bounty name and talk about him?
So you miss when...
Me ask you a question, answer me. You love interview people, so me I interview you. You say because me are the top artist. You say because me are the top artist, that's why you lift on me over that. Me say Bounty is one of the top artists, me cannot go lift on him.
We just... No, I'm not lift on him. But
why you not lift on him? Why you not talk about Bounty every day? You don't talk about kill and degrade him like how you try to style me as a woman and downplay me as a black woman. Me not ask question. Me not ask question. Me I tell you, I'm saying to you, why you keep a degrade me and a downplay me? Answer the question properly because you tell me say because me a top artist. It's cannot be because you're not live for the rest of top artists them.
I would talk about various artists all the time because we know Alkaline, Shensia, Bounty Killer, who just don't talk about Bounty Killer, Alkaline.
I'm going to do a favor because you wanted to interview me.
Yeah,
and I want you.
Say, yo, it's nothing
you know what I want you to do?
It's a big event.
You know what I want you to do?
No.
You know what I want you to do? I want you to go back and
appreciate it. I'm more critical. I'll take that.
And why are you critical about me? Is it because of my complexion? I'm asking you if it's because of the color of my skin. Why you're more critical with me? Because I don't see I do it with nobody else. You feel like me not know about nightly fix, me know about it. People are arguing about it. People are talking about it. That you live on nightly fix and you downplay me and degrade me. So I'm asking you to your face if it's because of my complexion. Because I do not see you do it to other artists.
She don't do your record.
Okay, what is it? What's the reason? Tell me to my face that Spice is because of this. When me do to you, me name a white fall.
Yeah, we'll explain how that. Anyways, as I was saying before, you are one of the top artists in the country. You're one of the people that can really big.
And Bounty is what?
Bounty is one of them as well.
So how the blood clot you lift on Bounty name and talk about him?
So you miss when...
Me ask you a question, answer me. You love interview people, so me I interview you. You say because me are
about black hip hop.
You never talk about the code.
But because I have people feeding you. Oh, ning.
You never talk about the code.
We talk about the good about black hypocrisy and how the strategy
our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
About black hip hop.
You never talk about the code.
Because I have people feeding you. Oh, ning.
You never talk about the code.
We talk about the good about black hypocrisy and how the strategy
our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, mom,
I'm in a blood clot. This is a pussy all this.
So, I hope